Hello, Screwdriver Bell CB. We have a repair today on the Galaxy DX95T2. Kind of a minor one. We had these three push buttons weren't pushing in. See, they're working fine now. This one was wobbly. We had to check it for spurious emissions, and I didn't find anything over and above the norm. And check it for output. Output's pretty good on here. So here's the tune-up for it. This is for Doug in Maine. Doug over here. Make sure the power's all the way down. Power all the way down, 10 watt scale. About 4 watts. And all the way up. Change the scale to 100. Got 50 watts. Alright. Peak reading meter 250 watts. Lighters 100, 150, and 200 right there. Audio check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. And then on sideband, audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check. Break it. Breaker 19 for radio check. Thank you, driver.